everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Here your art teacher Kiran Raj with new craft activity for you. It's very interesting craft activity. This is a paper basket. So today we are going to make this type of paper basket. It's very useful and it's very easy to make. I hope it will be very interesting for you. You can use this paper basket as a pen stand, or you can use this basket to keep flowers for puja. Okay, so ready? Get ready with your stuff. For this basket we require few colorful sheets, scissors, pencil, scale and glue. That's it. So get ready with your stuff. Okay, keep this stuff aside. Take one sheet and fold into two equal parts because we have two circles. Now draw circle like this and cut. Use scissors carefully. For this basket we require two circles. Now this is done. Now we have two equal circles. Okay, keep aside. Take different color sheet and draw line. This much broad. Keep your scale on equal distance so all strips will be equal. Like this, draw equal lines. Now we have to cut on these lines so we will get strips. Use scissors carefully. Yes, now these strips are done. Now take one more different color and again same. Draw lines on equal distance. Keep your scale on equal distance and draw lines like this. Same here, we will cut these strips on equal size. Now these strips are also done. Now take circle and I am taking these green strips and we have to put strips around the circle like this. All strips we have to put around the circle. Paste these strips with glue. It's very easy. Now take another circle and put glue and paste this circle here. Press it nicely. Now let it be dry for some time and take another color strips. Now we have to make circle with these strips. Put glue and make circle like this. All strips same like this. Do same like this. Make circles with all strips. Same. Now all circles are done. Now watch it carefully. These green strips fold upside straight like this. All strips fold upside. Now these are done. Now look like this. Now we have to take one circle and put these strips, alternate strips inside the circle and alternate strips outside the circle. One strip will go inside and one will go outside. Like this. Now take one more circle and now alternate strips will keep inside. Which strips were outside will put those strips inside now. Like this. Now you can see you have to put like this. It should look like cross from outside. Alternate strips we will put inside. Same process we'll do again and again to make circle again. It's very interesting and very easy too. Now this is done. Yes. Same process. Assemble it nicely, carefully. Yes, like this. Now outside strips we have to fold inside like this, so it will not open. Now these are inside strips. We have to put glue to paste these strips on corner. On edges we have to paste these strips. Now we will cut. Extra strips we will cut like this. Now same, we will cut extra strips which we folded inside. Now we will cut from little bit far so we can paste these strips inside with glue. Now put glue and paste these strips inside like this. Like this. Let it be dry for some time. Take one more strip because we have to make handle. Put glue and paste it like this. Now we will decorate this handle, basket handle. Put Fevicol and different colored flowers, paper flowers we will paste here to decorate our basket like this. So it will look more beautiful. Now our paper basket is ready. It's done. It's looking very beautiful. It's very useful. I hope you like this craft activity. In next video, I will bring more creative learning for you. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.